All right, the momentum is still full throttle with Live Good. All right, signed up another 9,000 people for the week. All right, very exciting. Let's see, it's about the 21st of April as I look at my computer here. All right, at 2025. And guys, if you are looking into Live Good, just to simply check it out, ruffle the waters, put your little piggy toe in and see what it's about. Let me just show you, okay? I'll just share my screen, then we can talk about my experience over the last 2 years and live goodness, okay? All right, now, what I've learned over the last couple of years is to keep this business simple. Let people watch videos so they can learn about the products, the ingredients, how much wholesale, retail, what's the comp plan. No one wants to get on the phone. No one wants to text. No one wants to go in the inbox and just yak and talk all day about something and not even get a sign up, let alone a sale of, who knows, protein powder, okay? This is what I've learned over the last couple of years. To sign up, over 400 people, and I'll have over 500 people signed up by summer. So you can see that I bought joincory.com. My name, Cory, join. It was open. I paid $11 at GoDaddy. All right. I've had the same email address forever, Cory@CoryDraper.com. I don't mind if you guys email me. I mean, if it's regarding Live Good and I can help you out, awesome. Okay. And then the business cards. I just paid $20 just at Vistaprint. They have 10 billion designs. You just pick, put whatever you want on the business card and rock and roll. So I went ahead and got this red card. I like the rounded corners, little silhouette of a race car. And I like the white off the red. It jumps off. Okay, if I put this business card on a wall or sit it down on a desk, you can really see joincory.com. And you can see I capitalized the J and the C. Even though you can go all lowercase, joincory.com, it'll work. But on the business card, I really want people to read the join, the Cory, and the dot, and the commie. And then what I do is I simply forward this link here for free to Live Good's, I guess, capture page where I can maybe get your name and email address. Let me just show you what it looks like. Okay, that's always the best. Okay, so you've seen my business card I made for 20 buckies. Okay, this is a page that you're going to have. Now, in the middle, see it says Cory Draper's website. You can put whatever you'd like there. If you have a business, Dynamic Distributing, or I don't know, your name is Rumpelstiltskin. It's up to you. I like people to know who I am. So Cory@CoryDraper.com. You can also go to CoryDraper.com, which I own. And then with Join Cory, I have my first name, sometimes my first and last name in everything I do, because I want people to know me just as equally, if not more, than Live Good. Okay, because I do have other businesses online that all complement Live Good. Okay, but at the end of the day, I want people to feel like you watching this know me. If we meet in person or talk on the phone or whatnot, all right, we know each other as human to human. Okay, not like someone just desperate for sales, and join. Okay, this page is the end all be all. If you can get people to get to your own page, all right, they're going to watch this video right here. It's a YouTube video. It's 5 minutes and 15 seconds. It's our CEO, Ben Glinsky. He does everything for you. Now, you can do a video like this, what you're watching right now. I like to do these videos for maybe up to 10 minutes or so, because in the next month and year, maybe years down the road, I'm going to have thousands of people watch this video. And it'll keep recruiting for me 24 hours a day, just uploading a video like this on YouTube. And then, of course, I put them on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, just a link to click where you'll watch this video that I'm doing right now. Okay? But this one is so great, made by the company. Okay, if you like the products and the opportunity, awesome. If you want to earn money, it's only $40 one time, guys. That's it. Two $20 bills, you're done. All you got to be as a member for $9.95 a month. You can buy all of our products wholesale. All right, that's good enough for most people. They just buy wholesale, put those products in the guts, and buy them every 30 days. But you can also take any of our products and resell them in your gym, Amazon store, or the back of your trunk in your car. Okay, now put your name here, first and last, and email. Click this little button that says reserve my position now. You're going to get an email from Live Good. Every day you can get one. Nice little message telling you about the opportunity and more. And if you're not interested, just opt out. Okay? But if you want to join Live Good, Obviously, put your name, email, reserve my position now, open up the LiveGood email, and just follow the instructions. You're going to go to the website, get a username, a password, pay like your $49.95, okay? $40 to be an affiliate, $9.95. So for $49.95, you can get going right now. And if you want to join for the year, get 12 months for the price of 10. Okay, I don't make any more or less, but most people join for the year because they want 2 free months. Okay, that's $99.95 plus 40. So right now, if you have $49.95, awesome. Then you got to pay $9.95 a month. Or if you want to get everything taken care of for the year, it's $139.95. Up to you. Like I said, I don't make any more or less. It's just up to your budget and convenience. Okay, so joincory.com. I think it's very important to get your own little domain like this. Okay, work with Cory. I own that. joincorynow.com. I bought that as well. Even joincorydraper.com. I just tried to sew up as many domains that I think I can use down the road as possible. And since they're cheap, they're only $11. Okay, I just thought, well, let's do it. Let's rock and roll. I like GoDaddy the best because they're 24 hours with a real person. A lot of other places that save you $1 or $2 or $3, it's all, a computer basically as customer service. And if you don't know how to forward, in this case, joincory.com, I have it forwarded. See this, livegoodtour.com/Cory J. Draper. That is my, link to get you to this page. Yours is going to be different. But I just suggest GoDaddy. I've been with them for 30-something years, and I've always had just really good, outstanding service. Okay, now, this is the LiveGood website. I suggest you go to 3 tabs. And just keep it easy, guys. So if you're in LiveGood now, or if you're looking into joining or just buying the products, please go to the products page. Okay, you just click it, and right there you're going to see, I guess, experience in green, but it's pretty obvious. You can see all of our products. Okay, check it out. Look at how many we have. Usually 1 to 2 new products debuting per month. Right now we just did the whipped tallow balm. All right, we had to spank its bottom. I don't even know what tallow balm is, but I do now because I hit that little button right there that says learn more. It tells you about why you use it, how much is it, what are the ingredients, reviews, okay? And we have some limited products, all right? This ageless seems to do pretty good. Make yourself look kind of sexy. All right, we have package deals, and then at the bottom, if you want some shirts and hats and a little shaker bottle to shake up your protein. And in the wintertime, maybe get a beanie and a hoodie, okay? But products. Please look at it, and then real quickly, go to the FAQ section. Okay, just hit FAQ. You can see the page right there. Click any of these lines. Rock and roll, baby. All right, you can see what's going on. Go to the bottom. If you're on a cell phone or the bottom of your web page, depending how big your screen is, it's going to say affiliate pay plan or just the word pay plan. Click that. Now, this is how we get paid 7 ways on the membership side. Guys, we focus on wholesale products. You don't buy our products to earn commissions. You don't have to buy a damn thing. You just have to keep your membership status valid of $9.95 a month. Pay that one-time $40 fee. And guys, you're an affiliate as long as you'd like. Okay? Go ahead and watch the little video at the bottom of this page. Right there. It's another YouTube video produced by LiveGood, and it does everything. It explains the comp plan. Please don't try to do it yourself. You're going to confuse yourself and whoever you're trying to recruit, or if you're telling your mom or dad or pet snake about the comp plan. Guys, you're going to get so sick and tired of trying to explain it. People want to watch little videos. You want to watch little videos. Guys, I do. I really don't want to talk on the phone and text and squint at my cell screen and learn about the comp plan. Okay, just go to the pay plan, scroll to the bottom and watch the YouTube video. The 7 ways are explained here too, but I think it's just awfully boring. All right, 1%, a 50 cent, a 10%, a 2%. You sound like that Bernie Sanders guy years ago. Don't do that. Don't give people the Bernie Sanders treatment. Just send people to the bottom, watch that YouTube video, and guys, you can check out the pay plan, how we get paid. So, pay plan link, FAQ. All right, be sure to do the FAQ section right there. Then at the top, it's going to say products, okay? And I hope that if you join in my group, you copy exactly what I do. All right, right now, currently, I'm number 29 out of 2 million people in the company. And I don't have a lot of experience. I mean, sure, my experience in LiveGood is 2 years, but guess what? I have no experience before I joined LiveGood. I just know how to talk on a webcam and share my screen. So, Business card, 20 bucks. Domain name, 11 bucks. Invite people to joincory.com. Guys, mission accomplished, okay? So anyway, thank you for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that's it. I hope you join Live Good if you're not already in it, okay? All right, have a good day, guys. And thanks for your time, okay? Okay, see you later. Bye.